In today's video, I want to discuss mini dental implants versus traditional conventional implants. Now, I'm a patient or a future patient which is yet to have this procedure done, but I've done tons of research and I want to discuss all the information that I found, and here's what I found out. Hey, it's Danny again, and in today's video we are going to discuss mini dental implants versus conventional traditional implants. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I am a patient or a future patient which is yet to have this procedure done. I'm still exploring my options, doing my research, and trying to put myself in the best financial situation prior to having the procedure completed or done. And I have studied a lot about mini dental implants. I have not fully eliminated that as an option yet, but I am looking more towards traditional implants. But I've found so many videos, tons of videos on YouTube and all over the internet that compare mini dental implants to traditional implants. And what I found is it really depends on who you're talking to. There's many doctors out there that will swear to mini dental implants that they last as long, that they preserve bone, but then there's a whole other side that say that it does not help you retain bone. And what I found, there are actually different types of mini dental implants. At the moment, I found that there are clinical trials of what are called tapered mini dental implants. I say that right? Yeah, tapered mini dental implants. And there's not a lot of information on them, but what I have found out is that the threading in the implant is actually tapered. I think it would be tapered going from the bottom to the top, but they call them tapered. But down towards the bottom, where the threads are actually larger, wider, and this part that screws into the bone and fuses to the bone actually is supposed to help retain more bone than regular mini dental implants. Now, I've actually had a consultation with a doctor that just does mini dental implants. And what he actually informed me of is there's many options with mini dental implants. There is a full restoration actually without an artificial gum line called Grade on 8. There's also another one that's done by other sets of doctors that's called Fix on 6, and what this is they just apply mini dental implants at the top. If it's a Grade on 8, it's 8 at the top, 8 at the bottom, or Fix on 6, it's 6 at the top, 6 at the bottom, and they put a full arch or full bridge, a full arch of teeth with no gum line, actually using your own gums, because there's no reason to actually shave off any of the bone as it would be with an all-on-4. And these procedures are actually more natural than a snap-in denture or an all-on-4 that actually has an artificial gum line. It gives you a more natural look. You do have other options rather than just going with acrylic as you would with an all-on-4. You have a zirconia option at some places. You have a pectin framework option other places, and you also have the traditional acrylic. Now, actually getting a full arch of teeth put in with no gum line, with them being that thin as what the teeth would be with acrylic, I do think that that would break rather easy. I don't see you getting more than a year or two without having an issue out of that. So if you was to choose that option, I would definitely urge you to go with a zirconia option or a pectin framework. As we know, pectin framework is actually a controversial decision, because with pectin framework it is weaker, but it actually gives, and it gives in the sense of how your regular teeth would give and resist. Whenever you get a zirconia option, they're hard. They make a snapping sound whenever you snap down on them. And a lot of people, that doesn't bother them. They just go with that. Now, as with the mini dental implants, comparing them to traditional implants, they are prone to breaking easier than a traditional implant. You're looking at about 3 millimeters for a mini dental implant as a traditional implant, and they vary, but on average they're around 6 millimeters. So when you're looking at a screw, 3 millimeters to around 6 millimeters is a huge difference, and the traditional implants can hold a lot more force. They are less prone to fail. Now, the failure rate on mini dental implants is really not that high. It's about 4 to 5% higher from what I've learned than traditional implants would be. So in a quick summary, and we will go deeper into this in a later video, Traditional implants are going to be the stronger option comparing them to mini dental implants. Now, mini dental implants is a good option. If financially that's the only route that you can get to and you do not want to be in a denture, that is the best option for you if you cannot afford the traditional implants, because you are looking at half the cost to a third of the cost or even a quarter of the cost, depending on where you're going to have this procedure completed. The reason for me making this video today is I just didn't want people to eliminate the option for mini dental implants. If it is the best option for you and your life, financials and everything, then definitely look at this as a positive option, because the success rate is still rather high for the mini dental implant option. But thanks for watching today, guys. If you do have any questions, as I always say, email me. It's info@Dental Implant Council. If you want to give me your opinion on mini dental implants compared to traditional implants, I'm not an expert. I would love to know. Comment down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and you want to keep up with my journey, or you just need help making money, or you need help finding a doctor. Always email me and I will definitely help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.